The truth is, I want to be rich financially and I want to be happy. So, a lot of people say money is the root of all evil and that you shouldn't desire money. Or a lot of people say, I don't want to be rich, I'd rather be happy, as if that is something that is mutually exclusive. Now, I like to argue that I disagree with that. The truth is, I want to be rich financially and I want to be happy. So, I like to introduce a new concept, a new idea, the idea of being the new rich. What is the new rich? Someone who is rich in experience, rich in relationship, rich financially, and rich in life. That's the new rich.